So this member will go by the name that we will get from the substituents, and then the primary alkane series, and then we shall see whether how many carbon members form this particular member. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. But as I've said, we can still follow that route, and we are correct because some 4-member carbon group. So we have butane. So there's an attachment of a substituent at this particular point. So we shall name this member as, so this carbon number 1. From the functional group, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have at point number 3, 3-methyl, 3-methyl, butanediol. So this we can still designate the position or give the position of that functional group where it has been attached, and try to see whether different other examples also try to display the same format. So for that case, we shall have the name of that alkane series as butanediol. So name here for the number that is appearing here designates the point or the carbon number at which the sulfur group has been attached to. So we have the name as 3-methyl, 1-butanediol. And then let's look at another example of maybe of a carbon series that contains a double bond, or the one that is unsaturated, and try to see how we can be able to name it. So we have this particular member here, CH, 3CH double bond, and then we have CH, CH2, and SH. So looking at this particular member, we have a double bond that's at carbon number 2. So naming from this particular point, from the functional group, we have 2, 3, 4. So it's still a butane from the alkane series, but since it has got a double bond, it will be a butene. So we shall name it as 2 butene, 1 thiol. Remember, as with the alkanes, as we said, we maintain this position of, or the name, the letter E. In naming that, it's not removed. So in that case, we have 2-butene thiol. So for this case of a functional group of the thiol compounds or mercaptans, as we have said, this is the format that we are going to use in naming this particular compound as we proceed. But in case of any other developments that we need to capture in this particular case, we shall be mentioning it and giving examples so that we can be able to have a skill in naming this class of organic compounds. So for that, thank you very much. God bless you. Bye for today.